Skin whitening treatments. Get fair skin naturally. You can easily cover all your imperfections if your skin is white. This saying is famous all over Asia and exists in many variations, but the idea is always the same. The most beautiful person who has ever lived is probably Snow White. You must have seen those who hide under umbrellas on a sunny and even not very sunny day, put on wide-brimmed hats and scarves. You might think they took the danger of skin cancer too close to heart, but the issue is a bit bigger. These people carry an uncomfortable, heavy umbrella just to protect themselves from being sun-kissed. Also, skin whitening treatments you can find on the shelf in the nearest store or the pharmacy are most likely expensive, and in some cases, even dangerous for your health. So why not use the recipes we have for you? They have several very pleasant advantages. You can prepare them at home. All the ingredients you either have in your kitchen or can easily get in the supermarket. They are simple, healthy, and exceptionally simple to make. Recipe number 1. And the first product you will need to have in your fridge at any time is plain natural yogurt. It's a product made from milk, so you probably know that it contains many ingredients that have a very positive effect on the skin. But what is more important for us is its composition includes lactic acid, and this acid has oh so very needed bleaching properties. There are several variations of using yogurt as a skin whitening mask. Plain yogurt. Take a sufficient amount of this product and rub it gently, better in circular movements, onto the skin. Let it stay this way for a couple of minutes. After, you can rinse it off with tepid water. Try to do it once a day for the duration of 2 or 3 weeks, and you will be pleasantly surprised with a noticeable lightening of your skin. Plain yogurt with honey. Another way to whiten skin might be a bit too tasty. To prepare the mask, take 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of yogurt and mix the ingredients. After applying the concoction on your neck and face, leave it on for about 15 minutes. Try not to lick it off. Yeah, it's too delicious, but still, do your best. If you do it regularly, like every day, this recipe will help you to improve the tone of your skin and complexion. Plain yogurt, oatmeal, and lemon juice. Lemons are very acidic. This makes them a perfect bleaching agent. A big plus is in the fact that this bleach is natural and can be used to whiten the skin. So, mix it with yogurt and see what happens. All you need to prepare such a mask is to mix a little lemon juice, yogurt, and a bit of oatmeal and spread it over your face. Keep this mask on for 15 to 20 minutes. It will also moisturize and nourish your skin. Recipe number 2. Hopefully you don't have an allergy to citrus, as the next way to brighten your skin is an orange. Isn't that a nice surprise? Vitamin C, which the fruit is so rich in, is one of the most important ingredients to keep the skin healthy. One more orange benefit is the bleaching properties that can make your skin white. Even drinking freshly squeezed orange juice daily, you will notice some serious positive changes in the texture of your skin. And to make it whiter, follow the next recommendations. Orange juice and turmeric. Take a pinch of turmeric. It should be powdered, otherwise you might experience certain difficulties. Mix it with fresh orange juice. 2 tablespoons will be enough. Does it look too orange to your liking? Don't worry, trust us, it does help. Before going to bed, spread this concoction over your face like a facial mask. You can also put it on your legs and hands. Keep it on for about half an hour, then wash it off. Everyday use of this mask does wonders. Orange peel and plain yogurt. When you eat an orange, don't throw away its peel. It can be used in so many different ways. Dry orange peels and grind them into powder. Take 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt and add 1 tablespoon of this powder. Mix it until you get a nice homogeneous paste. Leave this paste on the skin for about 20 minutes, then wash it off. Even if you have some dark spots on your face, they will start to fade away. Do such a mask no more than 2 times a week. Recipe number 3. One of the most effective products for whitening the skin is the already mentioned lemon. As we have said, it is a natural bleach, super effective for lightening your skin tone. What is more, lemon's abundance in vitamin C results in the growth of new cells, and the antioxidants it contains are very likely to make the complexion lighter and smoother. Freshly squeezed lemon juice. Apply the lemon juice to your face using a cotton ball. If your skin is sensitive, it makes sense to dilute the juice with some water. Keep it on for no more than an hour, then rinse it off thoroughly with water. If you do it daily, your complexion will become significantly lighter. Lemon juice and turmeric powder. Take 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and mix it with a teaspoon of powdered turmeric. Once again, don't let the brightness of the concoction scare you away. Leave the resulting paste on your face for approximately 30 minutes, then rinse it off. It works more effectively if you do it every day. Lemon juice, honey, and powdered milk. Another way to make lemons work for you is to mix 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of powdered milk. Apply the mask to the skin and let it stay there for no more than 20 minutes. Then wash it off. You should do it every day or every other day. Important, if you have any open wounds or injuries on your skin, don't use this recipe. Lemons are so acidic that if their juice gets into an open wound, it will cause significant pain. If you are allergic to citrus, don't try these recipes out as well. Recipe number 4. Answer one question honestly, please. Do you want to whiten your skin? Yes? Then remember just 2 words: gram flour. It is one of the best ways to achieve your goal. This flour has been long known as a homemade beauty product that is used to brighten and whiten the skin, serving as an exfoliant as well. In its composition, you can also find different nutrients which help the skin to stay healthy. It moisturizes your face at the same time removing excess oil. Doesn't it sound like a miracle? To use this method, add a bit of water to some gram flour. You need to get a thick paste. Spread it over your hands, legs, and face and leave it to dry. After you look like a gingerbread man, wash the paste off with water. We have shared the most effective skin whitening treatments. Have you tried any of them? Do you know any other methods to lighten the skin? Write in the comments below the video. Share it with your friends whose dream is to compete with the legendary Snow White. Click subscribe.